Hello everyone, this is a product review of Konio Neer TDS meter and pH meter combo plus buffer powder. I ordered it from Amazon and got it delivered in one day, August 1st, 2022. So let's begin unboxing it, and also we will see the demo of it later. So this is how it is looking like. Spare parts, it is written. Let's open it. So I have two pieces here. That is, one is a pH meter and the other one is TDS meter. Okay, so let's see how to use it, and we will adjust it before we starting it for our demo. So let me open the pH meter first. It has come up with a very good case, which is very plastic, and inside this you can see, as I said, buffer powder. This we will see in the last. And here we have the pH meter. So also we have a manual how to adjust this. So they have some instruction how to calibrate it. We have to use this 6.86 buffer powder in a 250 ml of distilled water, and turn the pH meter by on or off button and immerse electrode into the pH 686 solution. Gently stir and wait for 5 minutes. Press cal button inside this, and displaying number going to 5, then release. Okay, so to find the calibration point, display will start flashing 6.86 and wait until the display stops flashing it. So this is the procedure for calibration. We will do that, and all the specification it has, and calibration guide is also given with pictorial representation, and the display how it looks like, and some warning messages and maintenance. Keep this. And I don't have any manual for this, but there is a instruction written on it on the back side, which is a plastic cover. Remove the protective cap and turn the TDS meter on. Immerse the meter into the water solution up to maximum immersion level 2 inch. Okay, so I have to remove this and to read it properly, so I'm removing it. Okay, so I can read it now easily. Waiting until the display stabilizes, and the TDS meter automatically compensates for a temperature variation once the readout is stabilized 30 to 45 seconds, and then press the hold button to save readings. After usage, shake off water from your meter or wipe it with a tissue. So this is the instruction. So I need to set up a few things for this. So let me get prepared for that. Then we will see the demo. So till that I'll keep it as it is. Let me get a water and get ready for demo.